Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Thysiamore, and this is BIO with Thysiamore. Today we're going to be talking about some oils that you need in your life, literally that you should not do without in your whole life, okay? These oils are very, very beneficial to you and your health, and you shouldn't do without them. So today we're going to be talking about them and their benefits, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, well, welcome. My name is Tisha, like I introduced before, and you're welcome to BIO with Thysiamore. Okay, tell me the kinds of videos you like to see in the comment section, and I'll be sure to do them. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So welcome back. The first we're talking about is mango butter. Okay, this is organic mango butter. Organic mango butter is very, very beneficial. It's very good for your health, very good for your skin. It aids in digestion. It helps your skin to glow. It has some vitamins that are very, very beneficial to your skin. It helps cure eczema, and it is very, very good for your hair as well. It moisturizes and nourishes your hair, and it is very, very good for digestion as well. So you guys need mango butter in your life, okay? Have mango butter in your life. Okay, now the second thing you guys need is shea butter. Okay, this is organic shea butter. By the way, if you guys want to shop for these, you check them out in organic stores. Okay, they sell really very, very good butters. Okay, they are very good. They are no mixtures. They are raw, and they are very, very good. I promise you guys. Okay, so this is shea butter. Shea butter is one butter that you need in your life. Okay, whatever it is, make sure you have shea butter. Okay, you never regret it. Shea butter is the showstopper. Okay, it helps your skin to glow. It has vitamin A, E, and F. It aids in digestion as well. It helps lose fat. Okay, it is very, very good for curing lice, eczema. Okay, if you have scars and burns, sunburn, any skin problem, shea butter is your #1 solution. Okay, it is you reach out to, and you guys just have this around. You don't need to have any of these problems before you grab shea butter or any of the butters I'm going to mention. Okay, you guys should have it literally on a standby, because if you have problems with digestion, shea butter is very good. If you need a massage, okay, or you want to have your facials done at home, or you want to have some massage on your massage like a spa, you need shea butter to massage your skin, your face, your body, your muscles. It's going to, help release stress. So there are so many benefits that comes from having shea butter around you, making use of them. Okay, it has no harsh chemicals or whatsoever. It is very, very perfect for any skin type, any skin tone, anybody, male, female, old, young. Shea butter is very, very good, guys. It is promising, and it lasts long. Okay, you can have, I've had this since last year. Okay, I've been using it for over a year, and it has done wonders. Okay, so I can begin to emphasize how very important having shea butter is in your life. Okay, so shea butter, guys, shea butter. So the third oil that you need in your life that you shouldn't skip having, very, very important, is olive oil. Wow, I cannot begin to emphasize how olive oil is very, very important to you, your health, your skin, everything. I mean, olive oil is another bomb solution. It's like a holy grail. Olive oil is very good for your hair. It helps your hair not to freeze. If you have freezing hair, you find it difficult to get the comb through your hair, then reach out for olive oil. It is very good for nourishing, moisturizing. It is very good for sagging breasts. Breasts are falling or sagging already, withering. Then apply some olive oil on your palm every day. Rub together and massage your breasts for about 10 to 15 minutes at most. Massage it continuously for the next 2 months. You're going to see a huge difference. Okay, so It's good for sagging breast. It is good for skin glow. Okay, the health benefits are your digestion process, and it has some vitamins that are very, very good as well. And guys, olive oil is very, very important. Okay, just like shea butter. It has antioxidant properties. It helps for taking out dandruff. It is very, very good for children. Okay, it's very good for kids, for massaging their body, their bones, especially little babies. It is very, very good. Okay, so you guys reach out for olive oil. The fourth oil we're going to be talking about, guys, is coconut oil. Okay, this is organic coconut oil. I got it from my organic store. Okay, so yeah, coconut oil is also a very, very good oil. It is like a holy grail oil for you. It's good for nourishing your skin. It is a very, very good glow ingredient. It helps with digestion. Also, it helps in eczema. Okay, if you have eczema and lice all over your body, or you have any form of breakout that you're not familiar with, then reach out for olive oil, because reach out for coconut oil rather, because coconut oil has great antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties that can help take out any body disease, facial disease, chickenpox, eczema, what have you, guys. Coconut oil is very, very great for that. It helps in the digestion process and all. Do you know that coconut oil helps in preventing cancer? Yeah, that's how strong it is. Helps in preventing cancer, helps in preventing any form of scarring, sunburn on your skin. It is a very, very good sunscreen and eye cream oil as well. So if you do not have any sunscreen at all and you're thinking of going out there, then just reach out for coconut oil. Okay, before you leave the house, apply it under your eyes, apply it as a body cream. It will prevent any form of scarring, sunburn, and anything that is about to attack your skin. Okay, so the last oil that you need around you is my bottle. It's almost finished. I've had these oils for like over a year now, and I still have them. They're still very efficient. Okay, they are still very good. They still work very fine, and I reach out to them every time. Okay, every single time I reach out to one of these, maybe for my skin, for my hair. These are very, very helpful. So avocado oil is another game-changing oil. It is very, very wonderful for your skin, for your hair. Apply this. You can mix this with your body cream or your hair products, whether shampoo or conditioner, hair oil, what have you. Mix this in there. You are going to see a different result from what you're having right now. Trust me on that. You're going to have testimonies. Okay, mix it in there. Use them from time to time. They will help in eliminating it's just going to nourish your skin. Always gives your skin this very, very natural glow, unique glow that your skin deserves, that your skin should have. Okay, just like the way you were created by God. Honey, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so these oils are very, very, very good. I reach out for avocado oil most of the time for my hair. It's very, very good for the hair. It's nourishing, takes out lice, helps the edges to come back to grow. I've been using avocado oil for my edges lately, and I've seen great improvements on my edges. It helps strengthen the hair, makes it grow, enriches it, makes it shine, makes your hair look like it should be, very natural and very good color. Shining, bright, beautiful. How you guys know what I'm talking about. So avocado oil, it is, ladies, it is. Trust me, it is. So yeah, those are the 5 oils that you shouldn't do without. No matter what, have these oils around you, or even if you do not have all 5, you can have 3 of them or 2 of them. They are very, very important for your body, for your skin, for treating. Did I mention these oils treat acne? Oh God, if I didn't mention that, then what have I been saying all this while? They treat acne. Okay, if you check some of your acne wash or acne products, these products are in there, and you trust me, these are found in it. If you have any that doesn't have some of these ingredients, help me open the bottle, get one of these, pour and mix it in there, and you are going to see something different about your skincare routine. So they are very awesome skincare products, hair care products, you know, digestion, they help aid digestion, they help take out eczema, take out scarring, take out lines, and any breakouts, you know, familiar with, take out pimples. So you need them around you, you need them in your life, you need them for your children, okay? These are very, very good for kids as well. Alright? So I can go on and on talking about the benefits of all these, but yeah, we do not have all day to be here. So yeah, but please make sure you get some of these around you, reach out to them from time to time, and thank me later, honey. So that brings us to the end of this video. Remember to like this video, share the video, subscribe so I can keep creating more interesting content like this for you guys, okay? And so it's a bye from me. Oh wait, do not forget to check out these two videos right here on your screen, the end screen, okay? Check them out. They're my previous videos. You guys don't want to miss any video from me, trust me, because I have a lot of content, you know, coming up for you guys. You guys don't want to miss it. So yeah, so that's it from me. Till next time, until my next video, you guys have been awesome. Bye.